is all the time keep the finger at the frame. Frame, not at the trigger, and put the finger on the trigger only when you are ready to shoot. Yeah, it means you have positioning target, then it's ready to shoot. Fingers at the frame.
And focus. This one, same level with the target. You have to see all the time this one.
Okay.
All the time. With the center of your target. This one, same level. Good. Put it your size. This one. You have to see this one all the time. Shoot. Raise radar, there is bullet. Wow.
Okay.
Continue. And yeah, good. Raise radar. Perfect. Good. Excellent.
Okay, so red circle, okay?
Okay.
Service hand here, under the barrel, stock to the shoulder.
So again.
Here. Okay. Careful at the. Oh, come.
Oh, it's hot. Okay.
It's good?
Yes.
Forward. And again.
You sure?
Under, right? Good.
I kind of like it.
Pull back.
It's not.
Careful, trigger is soft. No, it's slowly. Just pull
Alright,
trigger.
let's push it.
Now back. And again. I will do it. It's empty. Good?
Oh, it's empty. Okay, perfect.
Ready?
Photo is no problem.